Step back in time and experience the beauty of a fully remodeled Grand Craftsman home, ideally located in Irvington, close to parks, restaurants, and boutiques. Meticulously renovated, this 1910 Grand Craftsman, designed by renowned architect Robert B. Beat, welcomes you with an expansive covered front porch. This stunning mix of arts and crafts and craftsman-style home underwent an extensive 7-month renovation in 2017 by its current owners, restoring its original architectural features, including woodwork, stained glass windows, doors, pocket doors, custom built-ins, and wood floors. It offers the perfect mix of original character and gorgeous upgrades to accommodate modern living. The extensively remodeled kitchen includes high-end appliances, stone counters, a chef's island, transom windows, and an inviting breakfast nook. On the second level of this 4-level home, you'll find 2 spacious primary suites in this home of more than 3,600 square feet. From the quartz counters to designer porcelain tile and walk-in showers, no detail is overlooked. On the top level, you'll find more flexible spaces and large bedrooms for any number of uses. The lower-level ADU was designed and permitted as a separate unit or guest quarters with built-ins, an open floor plan, fully equipped kitchen and laundry, 2 bedrooms, and a bath. The ADU has been rented on Airbnb for the last 4 years. Entertain on the expansive patio, surrounded by cedar privacy fencing and exterior lighting with dedicated outdoor gas piping for an outdoor fireplace and grill. The south side garden area is prepped for future driveway use, and a detached garage with power and skylights for a workshop or office. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of history in this beautifully remodeled Grand Craftsman home with multi-generational living capabilities. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Rambo Halpern with Premier Property Group.